Handheld electric milk frother with stainless steel whisk, portable foam maker. Smooth, foamy froth. From coffee or lattes to a rich cup of matcha, our electric frother creates a delicate foam. Convenient and easy to use, powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, our cordless frother offers fuss-free operation. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, while the one-touch on-off button provides effortlessly convenient control. Professional quality. With a handle made of ABS plastic, these automatic frothers are lightweight and ultra-durable. The stainless steel shaft and whisk ensure only food-safe materials touch your beverage, with zero effect on taste and quality. Easy to clean. This mixer is made of food-safe grade stainless steel shaft and whip that can be easily cleaned under fresh running water. Smart design. It can stand by itself to save space. You do not need an extra stand for it. The frothing wand can get to work instantly and continuously when you turn it on. You don't need to keep your finger on the button to power it on. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.